Alright guys and girls, one more microphone, and this one is a condenser microphone. This is from Malno. Oh, this is a brand with the name, I guess, describing the microphone, but to me, sounds like this brand name came from a cat. Alright kid, I need a microphone company name right now, or you're gonna take a bath. Oh, that one. Oh, I should have cut his nails. You're such a baby. Look at my battle scars. Save water. And don't hurt your cats. No. Oh, Long Johnson. Alright, the box is a little beat up, but that is not my fault. That's just the way it came. This is the other microphone that was sitting down for a while. But here it is. Look at it in its nice shiny glory. Look at the gloss on that. I like that. So give big props for them on that right there. But, you know, it's not about how it looks. It's about how it sounds. Oh, speaking of looks, look what we got there. It got on its hula hoop, aka the shock mount. That's something that the other microphone didn't have. So here it is, the Malno AUPM 500. Australian PM. I don't know. Don't know what these model numbers be. I guess this microphone is not even out right now. Either my eyes are blurry. Okay, well this is not on Amazon, so that's not as I expected. It's weird. Yeah, I really don't see it on their site. So either I got this super early and they're gonna release this later, or they discontinued it and here we go with some artifacts. In any case, let's open the case up. Oh, look, another case. Isn't that a beautiful case? Or a weird case? Some of y'all about to hit me with a case, huh? Ooh, this feels like a nice Yu-Gi-Oh deck box. Okay. Oh, that hinge is a little bit faster on the end, the other half, but it came up nice and it's all good. Ooh, looky. It's pop shield. Metal. Oh, this is quality, dude. Wait, why'd I kiss it? Oh. You get like a barely a hint of cheese on this smell. Here's the shock filter, the shock mount. Ugh. On the other side, we're dealing with like brittle plastic. It is bendable, and I'm not gonna bend it too hard, but it is a hard plastic. This and all. Wait. Okay, yeah, that is metal. But the shock mount is hard plastic and it has some screws in there, Phillips screws to hold these little things down. I mean, I don't mind. The last metal pop filter that I had from the Blue Mic turned all rustic on me, so I don't know. Oh, wow. Oh, cool. Okay. I see them. It comes with its own cable. They done came up. The other mic didn't have their own XLR cable. Okay, I'm asking for too much. This says high grade, low noise microphone cable. I don't know if we know how to test it, but maybe you guys and girls could test it out while I, test it. Test. Weave. It's not even on right. I don't like these rubbers. They're annoying. Nice feeling though. Oh, it smells worse. Addictively worse. You know those orange flavored wafer sticks? The sticks? It smells like that. And the man of the hour, or the Malno of the hour. It's nice. It feels nice. It's cold. It's metal. Even down here is metal. Ooh, oh, f off. Oh, God. It's also dangerous. You're gonna have to believe. Okay, you can see it there. You see up there? Right there? That thing just cut me. That's literally the only place on this microphone that it has that, and it hurt me. I'm gonna sue. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna man it out. Well, it's gone now. No, it's still there. Oh! Oh, it's on this side too. You hear it? What the hell? Well, I guess it's so good that it's dangerous. Take a look inside the capacitor. We got a red wire and a black wire hooked up. I think it's on the gold, like your mother when she digs. Does this even help? It makes things worse. Let's go ahead and attach the thing and put it all together. Other than the metal scratching me, like the little shards or whatever, It is nice feeling. But is it nice sounding? That's the question. Oh, okay, it's a clip. There it is. Do you see that? Oh, that is not nice. Why is it like that? Why can't they be straight? Accent this in the month of Pride Month. I'm sorry. Oh, wait, hold on. Okay, I'm sure I just gotta fiddle with the bungee cord and it'll become straight. Step away, Seto Kaiba. Leave room for the... Oh, hold on. There's something else in here. We got some ecstasy. I'll beat it again. Ow! The hinge hurt me. Alright, let's test this so-called high-profile, low-noise microphone cable. Okay, this is a really good cable though. It feels great. Does it sound great? I don't know. The prongs inside is silver. Where's my click? Where's my click? I don't get the rubber. I don't understand the rubbers on these things. It never makes sense. It's like acting as a resistance, so when you plug it in hard, it's like pushing out. I really don't get it. Oh no. Ooh. Yo. We got some low end on this thing. We got some low end and mid. Oh, this is good. You see how much of a difference it makes when you have a shock mount? It does the job. There's still vibrations though, you can feel it. But, yo, this mic sounds pretty decent. It has a good taste. Is that the right way to say? It has a good tonality, envelope. That's really what I'm trying to say, a frequency envelope. Hold on. I just noticed there's a user manual right here. How did this slip through my face? Oh, and look. There's a frequency response chart right here. All right, I'm going to put in a scanner and show y'all, and I'll read it off to y'all right here for those interested. Okay, it goes to 20 to 20. Obviously, I'm so sorry, Mike. Here is the frequency response chart. You can see it goes up in the 5K area. It does a little bit of a drop on the 1K, which I can't really see that well. If it's really... Well, what do you guys and girls think about the sound of this mic, though? Yeah? What if I were to throw some tape measure? What if I were to throw a EQ into the... Okay, so does my voice sound a little bit natural like this when I lower down that 5K area? Like a little bubble? I mean, it still sounds good regardless. Yo. Hey. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Still does. This microphone's pretty dope. Oh. I had to speak so soon. Yo, this mic is pretty dope. Don't y'all think? I like the poos. Can I get the poos? That's how I do my test, by the way. And poos. Yeah, I like peanuts. Peanuts. That doesn't make it any better. But this mic, definitely good. Pop filter. I don't know about that one. Police. So you're better off getting a pop filter with this one. Poo. Yeah. Like, what if I were to take this one right here? Yo, peanuts and apricots. I really don't know any other P words. Oh, Pokemon. Damn. Principal. Oh, yeah. Peter picked a pickled patch of peppers and pulled up with the strap. So you can see how much this metal filter is bad. You're better off without it, right? Peanuts and brittle and candy popcorn. Oh, that's another word. So let me actually take this into the soundproof room and we'll run a noise test on it. Okay, guys, so I am going to do the inside of the room test. I don't even think the webcam will show nice. Let's see. Yeah, okay. Well, at least you got the camera here. You can see there is a crack. That's because I wasn't able to fit two cables into that petite little hole that I, travel the cables through inside of the soundproof room. So just take the word of it. It's cracked like that. The cable wire is in between the crack. I'm going to go A, B, the Neumann, and the Mau. I'm sorry. I just love saying that. In the thing, I'm
A be the noise profile. The noise that happens if I were to shut up, mute it, or solo it. And yeah, so take a listen. This is the Meow. Let me color it gray, like my little Patty, my little cat. The Neumann one, yeah, this Neumann is darker. That means there is less noise or less signal being sent through with that microphone being quiet. Whereas the Meow, you see a lot more white, which necessarily isn't really a bad thing. But I'm just saying, you know, it has the Neumann is better. Neumann's better, of course, because it's a 4-digit mic. But yeah, I'm gonna hit normalize. Brace your ears. All right, I'm gonna mute myself. I'm gonna hit play. Volume warning. I'm gonna lower it down to where it's good post editing. So take a listen. Incredible. They could pick up the little clicks. But yeah, the door's open, so yeah. And plus there's like little fan holes. Anyways, you could see the difference of the sound, how it sound there. I'll let you be the judge. Although in the end, honestly, it is good how it sounds. It's really good. Okay, last thing I gotta do is pretty much plug the Meow microphone into the cable that the Neumann was using and close this door shut, sealed, complete. And then let's give a listen to that. So let's go ahead and mute my mic and plug in the Meow and see how it is. So these are the two Meow microphone back to back. Did it make a difference? How about I put on my glasses first? I can't trust my eyes, but I want you guys and girls to take a look at this and y'all make the decision for yourself. Either way though, this microphone does good. And hearing warning again. I don't know if it's because the placement of the microphone or if it's the cable, but there is definitely a difference in terms of noise there. Y'all heard that, but y'all could still be the judge of it. Not even sure myself.
I just realized I never made a outro video for this, but this is the Meow AUP 500. If this microphone is out, links will be in the description. If it's not out, here's an antique or a relic. Mine only, I guess. If this microphone is not out, I want you guys and girls to guess the price. What would you all think this type of kit is in terms of price? But yeah, it is your boy, Justin Omoe. And with that said, peace. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Please have yourselves a damn good one.